In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Lovable app on App Store step by step. We'll take your project from Lovable, wrap it as a native app with Median, and get you into Apple's App Store Connect so you can move toward submission. I'll keep things clear and practical, and I'll add tips along the way so nothing slows you down. First, open Lovable and go to the project you want to publish on the App Store. Take a moment to confirm it's truly release ready. Click through your key screens, test navigation and forms, and preview on a phone-sized viewport to make sure text, images, and buttons are comfortable to tap. If your project uses login or payments, sign in like a user would and complete a full flow. When everything looks solid, publish your site so it's live and accessible. Once your app is ready and published, copy its public URL. This is important because Median will use that address to power your mobile app. Make sure the URL is served over HTTPS, not a staging or password-protected link, and that it loads quickly. A quick tip, open the link on an actual phone in a browser to confirm it feels smooth and responsive before moving on. Next, head to median.co to build your application for the App Store. Median turns your web experience into a native wrapper, which means you can deliver your Lovable app as an iOS app without rebuilding from scratch. Paste the URL you copied, then customize the branding and interface. Upload a clean, high-resolution app icon, set your splash screen, pick colors that match your brand, and review settings like the status bar style, navigation gestures, and any deep links you plan to support. If Median offers a preview, use it to check scrolling, modals, and authentication. Keep your assets lightweight for faster startup. When you're happy with the build setup, go to App Store Connect and log in with your Apple developer account. This is where you'll create your app listing, manage metadata, screenshots, privacy details, and eventually submit a build for review. If you already have access, great. Sign in and you're ready for the next steps there. If you don't have an Apple developer account yet, register at developer.apple.com. Enrollment is required to distribute apps on the App Store. Follow Apple's enrollment flow, complete identity verification, and finalize your membership so you can access App Store, Connect, and developer tools. That's the full path. Finalize and publish in Lovable, grab the live URL, build and brand your wrapper in Median, then sign in to App Store Connect, or enroll first if you need to. Congratulations, you're now set up to bring your Lovable app to the App Store.